take it out and put it in. You have small veins like your mother. They can't, yeah. You could see them, but you couldn't see them in your hands. So. Well, something in there. Yeah, nothing there in your hands. All what?
All fat.
All fat. Not much fat on your hands. Your hands not very fat. Huh? Tears come in your eyes. Oh, yeah. But overall, you was good, right?
Yeah.
Open up your eyes, baby. What, darling? No.